A unique partnership called the Governor's Chair for Energy and Urbanism combines the expertise from Oak Ridge National Laboratory, the University of Tennessee College of Architecture and Design, and international design firm Skidmore, Owings Merrill. Through environmentally responsible design, the partners research and integrate clean energy technologies and sustainable urban planning. Leading this unique team is Phil Enquist.
This coming together enables us to convene deep science research with design and the profession to talk about the future of cities and the future of energy related to cities.
The Governor's Chair was conceived as a unique partnership of science, industry, and academia. This unique partnership allows us to get out of our silos to connect, collaborate, and collide on urgent global problems like water, energy, food security, and healthy cities. Through the Governor's Chair, we give our students and faculty opportunities to collaborate with world-class professionals. The Governor's Chair allows us to test new methods of manufacturing that are in their infancy, like additive manufacturing.
From its inception, the Governor's Chair has pioneered a unique collaborative approach to addressing energy and urbanism challenges for the public good. An early test of this ingenious approach came to be called AMY. To design and construct AMY, the world's first 3D printed building and energy harvesting system, the Governor's Chair partners reached out to experts in fabrication, fuel technology, electrical systems, and more.
We built a prototype, completely 3D printed, completely energy self-sufficient, but able to pair with an automobile, which was also 3D printed at the manufacturing center in Oak Ridge. We can power the house, but then as the sun goes down, we can push all of that power to the car, and then the car can use that power.
AMY quickly became known internationally as an innovation in design and energy use. Building on this success, the Governor's Chair continued the investigation of advanced building technologies by partnering with innovator Local Motors, an international leader in large-scale 3D printing. In one of the Governor's Chair studios, students are working with professionals at Local Motors to gain experience in new technologies for use in urban settings.
So I said, okay, UT, you guys are highly innovative and give you guys access to the equipment that you wouldn't have anywhere else in the world. The output was students that now learned a new skill, working with a new material in a new way that was sustainable, and that's advancing education within UT, but also educating our engineers and our co-creation community.
Through the Governor's Chair, work continues in clean energy technologies as well as sustainable urban planning. A valuable partner in this focus is Tennessee Valley Authority. In a Governor's Chair studio, students and faculty repurposed one of TVA's downtown headquarters using innovative clean energy designs for this urban setting.
We were absolutely thrilled to have the actual participation of folks in TVA on our reviews, to have them bring us projects that will be real projects.
Urban planning doesn't end at water's edge. The Governor's Chair team also investigates responsible urban planning that engages a major waterway, the Tennessee River. In an unprecedented effort, the College of Architecture and Design launched the Governor's Chair Tennessee River Studio to investigate 21st century challenges of the river and its watershed.
Industry has long called the Tennessee River home. It really is an incredible and an irreplaceable resource. But now as our economy shifts, industries are starting to change their interaction with the river, and communities are revisiting that relationship as well. My students are playing a key part in studying creative ways that the public can have better access to the river while also positioning it to continue to play a part in economic growth.
Our watershed covers 7 states and millions of people. That river impacts so many people in so many ways that really hearing from the firsthand accounts of people that are impacted by the river is really great.
Students in the Tennessee River Studio engaged with stakeholders along the 1,100-mile river to learn how they influence and are influenced by the water. This type of collaboration is possible through the Governor's Chair, which has established unparalleled engagement with change leaders nationwide. Collaboration at this level opens new vistas of research and presents unique opportunities for students.
We get the opportunity to meet firms that are doing really amazing work right now. They've got years and years of experience, so it's a great opportunity to tap into their knowledge.
I've really enjoyed working with the Governor's Chair, Phil Enquist, on this too. He has a very big vision, and then on top of that being engaged with all the students also, which I find very rewarding.
The Governor's Chair partners convene the best minds in the world to find smarter ways to use energy and plan for a healthy urban future. New investigations into smart structures will yield answers beyond Amy, and research will inform responsible urban growth across the world. By tapping the power of the unique Governor's Chair, we can protect watersheds, use energy wisely, and push the advances of technology to cultivate healthy communities and smart cities.
This collaboration, I think, is rather unprecedented. To have science and design come together, they're very different cultures. We have all really appreciated this opportunity and continue to see the Governor's Chair as a place of convening to really explore solutions to our urban problems.